this is my weight, and on the steer axle I have 12,100 pounds. So now I'm gonna make an experiment. I'm gonna move the fifth wheel on the truck all the way to the back. I'm gonna go on the scale, check again the weight on the steer axle, and after I'm gonna move it all the way to the front and go back on the scale and check again. After you press the button, make sure the pins are open on both sides. One side is open, another side is open too. Now we're gonna apply the brakes, the parking brake on the trailer. We're gonna release the parking brake on the truck. We're gonna drive it forward. As you can see, we moved it all the way forward. Now we're gonna close the pins. We're gonna drive slightly back. They're gonna close themselves. On the trailer, the parking brake is still applied. Now we're gonna slightly go back. Slightly forward, and the pins should be closed now. As you can see, all three pins are closed on the left side. All three pins are closed. The right side, all three pins are closed. 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna drive up to the scale. Also, before we're gonna pull up the truck and slide the fifth wheel, if you are loaded, it's better to put down the landing gear.
Number
2400.
Good to go.
I just got the numbers from the reweight. Like this is the second one with the fifth wheel all the way to the front. We have 12,480 pounds. And this is the first one with the fifth wheel all the way back. It's 11,380 pounds. What does it mean? It means the more you move it to the front, the more weight you will have on the front axle. The more you move it to the rear of the truck, the more weight you will have on the less weight on the steer, and the more weight on the drive axle.